Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Tuesday, July 7th. What's going on? From forexfactory.com news, well, at 8:30 this morning, we had a trade balance, which was right around expected, definitely within the margin of error, not a major deal. At 10 a.m., we have tentative, after 10 a.m., I should say, the tip economic optimism. At 4:30 p.m., we have the API weekly statistical bulls. That's it. So super light day when it comes to scheduled news events. So moving on. Taking a look at the daily chart, you can see that yesterday we were at an up day. We are above this current trend line or above this trend line. We're actually kind of breaking out. We'll see if that continues or above the moving averages. We are still in this. I talked about this briefly yesterday, establishing a little bit of some sideways action. We'll see if this sideways action continues just to go sideways. I would say short term is sideways to up. Medium term is definitely sideways. Long term is definitely up because we are above the 200-day moving average. We're above all the averages. So where could we go? I think we could retest the high from the 15th of June, which is around 76.55. We could also retest the low from the second, which is 74, we'll call it 74.80. And that's kind of the bigger picture. Not much to say or do, just moving sideways. Yesterday, looking at the inventory, we had positive price action and we had positive inventory. That's correlated, so nothing to write home about there. Looking at the overnight action was approximately 38 points. That is still above the long-term average, but below basically the short-term averages in the 60s. So 38 is still above the historical average, but actually it's kind of to the low side of what we've been expecting and what we've been seeing. So what is going on? Where's support and resistance? So above 7,600. There is very little. So we're getting into nosebleed area, all-time highs, nothing much going on up here. 76.08, 76.30, 76.58. Not much to go on. Support. Where do we have support? We've got decent support down below the overnight lows, 75.51. And it's really that 75.50 area, that whole number, plus or minus a point or two. 75.38, 75.25, 75.07, of course, then the whole number, 7,500. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 57.1% chance the market will be up from the Stock Trader's Almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. Remember to subscribe and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.